I'm now going to open a Guild 550 watt jigsaw and see what's inside and see what it's like. Right, here we go. Instructions. And that was a blade that just fell out. The blade that just fell out when I pulled the instruction leaflet out. The blade. Right, that's everything out of the box. So we have the instructions, one blade, this piece, and the guide, and the jigsaw itself. Right, and they're going to fit the blade to the actual saw. Well, first of all, you have an Allen key, which is on the wire at the back. Remove the Allen key. The blade actually goes up in there. You have two screws. You can see right there, what you have to undo with the Allen key, in there like so, loosen them off, they're quite tight to start off with. We got them loose. Loosen the two of them off. And get your blade. And you can see blade with the saw facing frontwards, the teeth facing frontwards. Fits in there. Make sure screws are undone so it goes all the way in. That's as far as it goes. Tighten up. There, that's the blade fitted. Once you've fitted the blade and tightened up, screws in the block. Next thing to do is you have your guide. So fit your guide in whichever way you want it to. Your guide actually goes in these two slots by here, one there and one by there. Undo them with the Allen key again. Push them off. Once you've loosened them off, they come. Go by hand. Once you've loosened them right off, get your guide. Slide your guide in like so. On the back of the guide you also have measurements in centimetres by the looks of it. Set your guide the way you want it to cut, and then tighten up your screws with the Allen key like so. Make sure it's really tight. And there you have it. Jigsaw is ready to use. Oh, you also got this piece to put on. Which right, there's also, we got this sorted and all fit together. There's one more thing to do, and that's this. It's known as the vacuum adapter, which you can slide on the bottom here. If you can get it open. Slides on the bottom there. Attach your vacuum to the back end there, so sucks out a lot of the sawdust while you're actually cutting. And there you have it. I've put the Allen key back where you got it from. Safekeeping.